Hello guys, good evening everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight we will discuss about the line-to-line 220 volts 3-piece circuit breaker and line to neutral 110 volts. This is the supply to 20 volts 3-piece line 1 circuit breaker. This is line 2 circuit breaker. This is the line 1, this is line 1 and line 2 supply for lamp 220 volts output, and this is line 2 and line 3. This is the lamp supply of 220 volts. Line 1 and line 3 terminal circuit breaker. This is the lamp supply of 220 volts. Another lamp line to ground. Line 3 and the neutral. This is the lamp 110 output. The line 2 lamp connected to the neutral 110 volts output. And another connection is line 1 lamp connected to neutral. Output is 110 volts. Note, lamp number 1 220 volts line to line. Lamp 1 is line 1 and line 2 connected. Lamp 2 line 2 and line 3 connected. Lamp 3 line 3 and line 1 connected for 110 volts line to neutral. Lamp 4 line 3 and neutral connected. Lamp 5 line 2 and neutral is connected. Lamp 6 is line 1 and neutral is connected. Bible verse of the day, James 4:4. Ye adulterers and adulteresses, know ye not that the friendship of the world is the enmity with God? Whosoever therefore will be a friend of the world is the enemy of God. Thank you for watching guys. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory.